This is a hybrid bowl that I made with resin, epoxy resin, and some hickory sticks that I found. Just finished parting it off here. I haven't got the bottom done, but the rest of it is. And I'll show you how I made it. Started out by molding it in one of my silicone molds that also attaches a threaded block to it. In this video, most of it's about 4x speed, so I'm not actually this crazy fast. In this video, I'm using all mid-size tools, the 4-tool set really. So they're the acrylic resin mid-size tools. This is the simple rougher, so it's the AR MSR. And we'll just kind of get it down to a cylinder here. This is the mid-size ARSTH. Round tool works great for shaping. And here I've actually switched to the simple shear cutting finisher, the mid-size again, just to do some finish passes here, and decided it wasn't quite the shape I wanted, so back to the STH, ARSTH. That's the shear cutting finisher again. That's a tool that works great on resin, hybrid bowls, and regular wood. See, I'm kind of working on a little detail there with it. Now we're ready to bore it out. There, got that done. And I'm going to use the simple hollowing system here. So that's a 3/8 bushing that allows us to put these 3/8 mid-sized tools in the simple hollowing system. Just align the slots in that bushing and tighten the set screws down onto the tool. And it holds it all. So you can use the full-size tools or the mid-size tools in the hollowing system. And this is the 90-degree detailer, so it's the ARM S90D. It's a great tool for detail work, but you can see here it works super good for hollowing as well. There's something about that pointed shape. It makes it cut like crazy. And you can see the laser there on the bowl too, so that's telling me where I'm at in the bowl. That saves a lot of stress. You never have to wonder if you're going to cut through your bowl. So we're going to make some finishing, or sort of finalize the shape with the ARSTH. Because that 90-degree tool, you can't cut that really too smooth inside a bowl, just for getting rid of the material, and then this gives you the shape. So now we'll go to the square tool, the AR SR, MSR actually. They're all mid-size, like I said. Flatten the bottom down. Then here's the shear cutting finisher. We'll kind of finalize the shape, and it cuts so nice. Makes that nice shear cut. So got it looking pretty good. And I found out that some of the resin, see that there at the top of the picture? The resin broke away from one of the hickory sticks. So I'm going to do a little super glue repair here. Put a little thin super glue on there. I kind of let it work in a little bit. A little more on the inside. And then I'll squeeze it. I'm squeezing it, hitting it with some activator. And, uh-oh. My glue glued my glove to the bowl. So I fixed one problem and created another one. Yeah, a piece of it stuck there. It turns out you can really glue rubber gloves to wood with super glue. Try to pick that off of there, but I have to turn it again, and yeah, you can see the chunk missing there. Whoops. So I got it all cleaned up here, and then I gave it a light sanding, and then I mixed up some more. I used Total Boat epoxy resin and just smear it all over the bowl, and that makes a pretty nice easy finish. I actually do 2 coats. Seems to work out very well. So now it's time to part it off after it all dried. So I'm using the vacuum chuck in the lathe and the reversing adapter and the live tailstock chuck. And of course, this is a parting tool. It's our AR parting tool. It's not a mid-sized tool. And there, it separates it right away. Pull that away, and then we'll finish the bottom. And here I use the 90-degree tool again. ARMS 90D works perfect on these bottom finishing here. You gotta be a little careful when you're doing this in the vacuum chuck. I'm only turning about 1500 RPM, so you gotta take some nice light cuts here. Flatten the bottom off. You can see how you can turn that and kind of go both ways with it. It's a great tool for this. And there it is. I just gotta turn the vacuum pump off and let the vacuum bleed away and pull it off of there. There we go. That's what it looks like. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it.